Hello, fellow Rosarians. Thank you for joining me for our 6th Gardener's Giveaway video. I can't believe how quickly they're going by. I had a vase that has been sitting here for about 4 days and showing you every day in our videos. I had to switch it out today, and I actually have in the vase still 3 of the Charity by David Austin, and they look beautiful. So let me show you a video real quick. Let's just walk around it. This is Salmanasar and Classic Woman. So we'll be watching this over the next couple of days and watch how they hold up. I just love having fresh flowers during the winter months when I'm missing my garden. Before we get started and talk about Northland Rosarium, let's do the giveaway from Chambly. Chambly is offering 1 free rose, including shipping to a lucky person. So make sure that you go and check out Chambly's site. Let's look at the winner's name, and please forgive me if I mispronounce it. Marina Dimitriadis is the winner. Congratulations. If you would, just email me. My email is in the description of the video, and we'll go ahead and get that set up for you. So let's talk about Northland now. I did an unboxing for Northland last spring, so you're going to want to look at that so you just know what to be prepared for with the size. A lot of times they're called band roses. They're also called quart size roses, or if somebody says they're in the 4x4 or the 5x5 pots. Those are all the same name for this size. I was just outside today getting ready for winter, and I looked at 2 roses in particular from Northland Rosarium, and they're over 3.5 foot tall. So they grow really quick. These are going to be own root roses. The benefits of having that smaller size is, of course, they're going to be more economical. Your shipping is going to be less. A benefit, and as I'm getting older, I really appreciate, is that it's so much easier to put into the ground. When you think about a bare root and that you're digging 16 inches down, depending on the number of roses that you're putting in the ground, you might really welcome having a rose that is smaller and a smaller hole to put it in the ground. So just some benefits for you. When I work with Northland Rosarium, I'm always talking to the same person, and that's Andrew. And I reach him easily through email, phone, or social media. I haven't asked him if he has a larger team than just him. I wouldn't be surprised if he's a one-man show. Andrew launched his spring shipping maybe 2 days ago now. So you're going to want to go to the site and see if there's anything that you're interested in. I know that some people had some things in their shopping cart, and as they were checking out, they sold out. So that doesn't mean that you're not going to get a rose that you're interested in. If there's a rose in particular that you're looking for and it's sold out right now, don't be afraid to reach out. It's really helpful for Andrew to know that he's got others that are interested in a particular variety. He might be able to adjust his numbers. He might be able to have a waiting list. So don't be afraid to reach out to him to see if he can either get a unique variety for you or add you to a wait list for something that might be reflected as sold out. When you order from his site, he's going to babysit them through the winter for you, and then he'll start shipping whatever date you pick, and the window is March until October of next year. Current discounts. You can get a discount if you're an ARS member, and that would be 15% off. And if you are, of course, a Rose Geek, there's a Rose Geek code for 10% off, and that's Rose Geek 10. Be making sure that you are following him on social media because he has other sales periodically through the year. I know a few months ago he was offering Rose Geeks, I want to say 40% off as he was clearing out his stock. And he's also offered buy one, get ones, I think. If you aren't following his site, you can also follow us on our Rose Geek Facebook page, and we'll make sure that we get that information to you also when there's a good sale. So let's talk about the giveaway. Andrew is offering a free rose. Comment below and let me know, in the event that you were to win, which rose you would be looking to buy from his site. So thanks so much, everybody, and I will see you tomorrow for another giveaway.